What's going on, everybody? It's Josh here with Zero Gravity. I wanted to put together this video today, everybody, to share some of my ideas and thoughts on Palantir and why it's going to 42. I think after you see some of my technical analysis and some of my ideas with Palantir, you as well will believe that it's going to 42. And just in case you don't, I did wear my Whiskey Tango Foxtrot shirt for everybody today. So feel free to research it, look it up, see what it is. If you can, before we get started, please hit the subscribe button. I love to bring new content to you regularly. And if you can, hit the like button if you love Palantir. All right, so Palantir, one of the big things, as I said, I like to find trends in the market. And I think a lot of times that history likes to repeat itself. So I was kind of looking in where we're at now. As everybody knows, we've definitely been taking a beating over the last few months. We're almost 50% down from our all-time highs here. One of the things I was looking at here, though, is this pattern right here. Where we just dipped down and double bottomed here and we're coming back up. I almost think if I was to cut and paste this exact box right here and put it over here, they would almost blend in together, right? Doing a little more research, if you look, our demo day was on January 26th, which is this day right here. So we had this huge push up right before demo day. So in my mind, I'm thinking right before this double click event, we will definitely see another one. And so far, as history repeats itself, we're definitely seeing this whole trend, same trend here again. So I did a few calculations here. One is using the Fibonacci retracements. I can go from the top of this bar here to the bottom of this bar here. And it gives us the overall retracement from $30.63 to $22.89. It's about a 25% retracement, almost exact. Now, if I do the same thing here, from 27.35 to the bottom of this candle here to 21.20, once again, it's almost exactly a 25% retracement. So these retracements here are almost the same. With this one here in particular, there's a few things I was looking at as far as it goes, because it's a little more stretched out than the current trend we're in now. And I would honestly prefer to probably use this guy here. So if I use the top of this candle, here to the bottom, it's actually 24% retracement. So it's not a huge difference there. But either way, we're looking at about a 25% retracement from there leading up into the demo days. So if this pattern continues, then of course we'll see most of this week. It'll stay right here below, what is this, 25.10 roughly. And then leading up, you know, the 3-4 days prior is when we're probably going to see this huge break up here. There's a few other reasons that I wanted to look at it, and I'll tell you exactly why I picked the 25 or $42 price target. We're not 25s, silly, don't be silly. The reason I decided on a $42 price target, and I'll kind of show you here, just using a trend channel. I know we've had some rough weeks here, but the overall trend of the stock is still significantly higher. So following up here, we did have a few breakouts of the trend here, just at the very top points. But overall, where we're at now, we're at the very bottom of the trend channel. So generally, that's going to lead me to believe that hopefully we're going to get a bounce anyways. So with that bounce, I'm shooting at the high of the trend level, which is going to put us right there at the 42.35 mark. Even if we don't hit it a little bit, we're right below it. I'm going to say $42 is my price target right now, just based on the trend of the stock from the DPO until now, and that's where I'm going to put it at the $42 there. And I think that's a reasonable assumption just based on history and trends if they follow each other. Remember, if you like and enjoyed this video and you think any of the information was informative, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up so I know that I'm doing a good job here. If there's anything I answer for you in the future, please put some comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I look forward to next week. I'm really thinking between the 9th, which is this next Friday, it possibly could start running, I think, Thursday, Friday. But definitely, I think next week is going to be our strong week, leading up until the 14th at our double click event. Let me know what your thoughts are. I appreciate it, guys. You have a great day.